Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow your headphones Philips to play phone calls or how to disable it. You have to start by Open Settings. Now go to Connected Devices and right here you need to click the settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. And here it is, we have phone calls. And to enable it, you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Now, if the slider have colorful background, it means that it's enabled. And to disable it, also tap on it one time. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!